Managing tasks and updating statuses is easier than ever using the task card view. To activate this view, at the top of the task list, click on the card view icon. Statuses shown at the top indicate where the task falls in the workflow and how many tasks there are in each status: new, in progress, in review, in corrections, on hold, and finished. Through drag and drop, you can easily move tasks from one status to another. You can also easily track time manually or through the Start/Stop button, as well as change deadlines and priorities, and archive each task. To return to the list view, simply click on the list view icon.